piece is called Why Are People Clapping? And it's about 5 dancers creating rhythms to support each other through dance, both through improvisation and various different phrases to create a relaxed, vibrant, fun atmosphere on stage. What inspired me to make the piece is my love of music and different rhythms, and a particular inspiration was a piece of music called Chlapio music by Steve Reich, and in that piece he uses the simple sound of a clap and one rhythm overlapped and used in various different ways to create quite a complex score of music, and I wanted to implement some of those ideas into the piece and see how one simple idea, just clapping, can create lots of colours and different textures, and to see what kind of things that will bring out of the dancers. I feel like a lot of the time when watching dance, a lot of the subjects and context can be quite intense and serious, and there has to be a lot of meaning. So hopefully people who come to see this can watch it, be relaxed, and hopefully leave with a smile.